Hey everybody, welcome back to Crypto Noobs, the YouTube channel where we bring you news about crypto and the crypto market. Today's November 11th, Friday. The global crypto market cap is at $856.02 billion, which is down 4.32% over the last day. Bitcoin is trading now at $16,905, which is down 5.19% over the last 24 hours, but only up 0.63% over the last hour. Here's are the top gainers and losers for today, with Chain XCN up 9% over the last 24 hours, Chiliz up 7%, and Uniswap up 3.56%. Not so much gainers over the last 24 hours. A couple of stable coins from different platforms, but a lot of losers of today. FTX is one, obviously. Nexo, Helium, Immutable X, Kronos, ApeCoin. List kind of goes on. Not too much stuff is happening today, just a lot of FTX news. Wherever you look, at least in my case, it's just anything FTX related. People are getting out, people are losing money. Stories have been coming up of people owning FTX, like Ontario teachers sunk $95 million in FTX pension funds. Says collapse will have limited impact, which is pretty interesting. Anybody that has anything to do with FTX, they're basically breaking the deals, getting out of whatever they had invested into FTX as best as they can. Sam Bankman-Fried says he's sorry. And Chapter 11, bankruptcy, SBF steps down of CEO. I did find this one interesting story about Amy Wu, who resigns from FTX Ventures as FBF's crypto empire unravels. A former partner of Lightspeed Ventures, Wu joined the investment arm of FTX in January, funding several crypto startups. Just want to read a couple of paragraphs from this article. In March 2022, FTX Ventures invested $100 million in Dave, a financial service app, as part of a deal with crypto exchange FTX US that would enable the platform to begin offering cryptocurrency services. FTX Ventures also invested the Bored Ape Yacht Club creator Yuga Labs and game developer Fairway, makers of the Solana-based Mini Royale Nations. In September, FTX Ventures invested in Skybridge Capital, the investment firm led by Anthony Scaramucci, taking a 30% stake in the firm. That same month, FTX Ventures participated in a $54 million fundraise led by Alex Ohanian's VC firm 776 for the popular NFT projects Doodles. So just trying to bring aware of what Wu was involved with through FTX Ventures. Pretty much anything anybody had anything to do with FTX in general, it's definitely feeling the hurt and definitely feeling the pain that FTX has gone through. And I'm not trying to scare anybody, but be wary that something might happen to these companies and projects and things like that, just to make you aware of it, because anything that has touched FTX is definitely feeling the hurt. But I did find something pretty interesting. Cryptocom's preliminary audit shows 20% of its assets are in Shiba Inu coin. As large crypto exchanges push to prepare proof of reserves, audits and initial efforts revealed just how much of Crypto.com's reserves are in the dog-inspired meme token Sheep. And here's a lower chart of the token allocations, what that is on Crypto.com. Here's a little list. Total assets, that's a lot of money. But 20% of it, or I guess about 20% of it, is in Sheep. 17% is in ETH, almost 7% in USDC, 5% in USDT, about 30% Bitcoin, which is pretty interesting. I guess a lot of people are highly invested into Sheep more than Doge. Shiba Inu does definitely have a lot of projects in the works for them. I know they have a game. I know they're trying to do their own DAO. They have their own swap. But yeah, either way, I don't know if this is good. It's definitely not bad, but it is definitely interesting. Sheep is definitely one of the top leading meme coins besides Doge. But since they have way more tokens, won't overtake Doge since they have a whole lot of tokens. So at least way more than Doge. So yeah, pretty interesting. Look at them. Cute little dog. Either way, I don't have too much of news for you today. Everything is just pretty much about FTX and the continuous downfall and the ripple effects that it's been having on the crypto space. I would like to mention JP Morgan thinks Bitcoin could plunge to 13K following the FTX crisis. Again, another FTX related story. JP Morgan's team led by Nicholas, I'm not going to say that name, but he predicted that the price of Bitcoin could drop to 13,000 due to the turmoil following the FTX collapse. The cost to produce BTC also has fallen considerably, which could be another reason of the asset's potential downfall. So just a little light on this. It's definitely not over as far as I'm concerned. The pain of the cryptocurrency space, just based on FTX and what they were doing for, I guess, the past year. I know they weren't around for so long, but, I guess it doesn't take very long to screw a lot of people over and make everything worse and make everything harder for everybody to get crypto, access crypto, withdraw crypto, anything like that. So either way, I feel like I'm rambling. Bitcoin chart, not a whole lot of movement. Here's an obvious fake out to the upside. I'm sure a lot of people, or at least some people, got in on the very bottom here at 15,600 and cashed out at like 18,000. And it's just finding, it's, I guess, pretty reasonable area of resistance and support, just kind of resting at 16,000, a little under 17,000. But since this may not be over, I am on an hourly chart, by the way. Since this may not be over, it could just go sideways, or it just could probably go down to 13,000, just like how JP Morgan was predicting. Either way, this could be a good buying opportunity if it doesn't fall down anymore. Not financial advice. Not a financial advisor, but just saying it could be potentially pretty good, but it could not since it's resting at 16,000 and it has gone down to 15,000 and potentially lower than that. So anyways, we won't actually be out of this as far as I know unless we get back to 20,000, at least above 19,000. So yeah, let's just see how it goes. That's all the news I have for you guys today. If you like the content, subscribe. If you like the video, hit the like button. But if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please comment in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.